Keystone's LED round and linear high bay fixtures offer energy-efficient, high-performance lighting for high-ceiling, large-area spaces requiring powerful illumination. Thanks to Keystone's innovative Power Select and Color Select technologies, with a flick of a switch, you can quickly change both color and wattages. For a round option, you can select between 5000, 4000, or 3000 K color temp, or 100, 150, or 200 watt output. On the linear fixture, you can set the color temp to be 4000 or 5000 K, or you can choose between 215, 175, or 135 watt output. Now distributors can reduce SKUs from 15 down to just 2, and contractors can replace 175, 250, or 400 watt metal halide fixtures. Keystone's high bays are compatible with SmartPort sensors available in microwave and passive infrared sensing options, which use a simple screw-in 3-pin plug. Both can easily be added in the field, no longer requiring long lead times on factory install. Each sensor boasts a wide 120-degree detection angle. Keystone high bays include a pre-installed Keystone driver with 0 to 10 volt dimming and all the supplies you need to install them quickly and easily. They're also made of durable materials, so they'll last for years. Various accessories are available for both the round and the linear high bays. And select accessory options are available for factory install. Keystone's high bays are also available in dedicated color options. We can help with your project with our complimentary lighting layouts and free samples. Contact your Keystone rep to get started today.
Keystone Technologies. Light made easy.